Come test drive the 2021 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, front-wheel drive, trip computer, clock, electronic stability control, tachometer, carpeted floor mats, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, body color door handles. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.